Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today we are going to discuss Logic-2 from codingbad.com in Python. It says medium boolean logic puzzles, if else and or not. So let's go inside. Same thing as the definition, but it is like more difficult version of Logic-1. Here we will get better or like it's not easy version. If I will say, it will have medium and hard questions, so that we have to be very careful while doing this. Let's go to first question. First is make bricks. We want to make a row of bricks that is goal inches long. We have a number of small bricks and big bricks. Return true if it is possible to make the goal by choosing the given bricks. This is a little harder than it looks and can be done without any loops. Okay, let's see. So if goal is greater than equal to big, oh my bad, *5, then we can definitely goal minus equal big *5. I hope this will work, and then we will do with small. If goal is greater than equal to 0, oh, we can do this way, return. So here I checked whether it is greater than big, then we will subtract the big 5 and then we will use the small. Let's see how it goes. So it worked on some of them, like this one 8. So it checked that 8 is greater than 5, the big one, so it reduces that and then it reduces the small version, but it did not work on this one. I think we need to change the sign. It should be less than 0. Yeah, so if it is less than 0, then it should give us like false, and then it will work. So here we did not get it because it is greater, but it did not. Oh, so we did not refer for something that is in which the big *5 is bigger or greater than the goal. So first we need to find how many big required is there. Big required is equal to goal /5. So this will give us big required. How many big requires are there? So if big required is greater than big, then it will reduce the big, else goal will be goal minus equal big required *5. So if big required is less than big, then it will reduce this one, and the same thing is here. We will do else if goal is less than small, then we can simply believe that goal can be equal to 0, because all the small we can use to make it 0. I think this will work. Yes. So here we can see that the example is like big number, that, and then big is also like 1000, and it is like huge in, I think, yeah, it's 1 million and 100. So it checked, and for this one it is more, and there it is more, so that can work. Let's go to next question. Given an integer value ABC, return their sum. However, if one of the values is same as the another value, it does not count. So if 1 to 3 is equal to 6, 3 and 3, they are both the same, so it won't count. It will be 2, and all 3 it should be 0. So we can do this thing. If A compared to B both are same, then return C. If B compared to C If both are same, we can return A. elif if A compared to B, A compared to C, then we can return B. elif if all of them are equal, we will return 0. Otherwise, it will be return of all of the sum A plus B plus C. So let's hit go. Oh, we got one out wrong. Okay, so they all are same. Oh, okay, let's do this way. So if it is A equal, so I think we need to check this thing in the first place, because then only it will give yes. So it all correct. First it checked all of them, then it will go further. Earlier the mistake was it was checking A and B. If they are equal, then it is not going to check elif statements or else statement. So it will process one by one like a switch. Like in switch, if you use case statements, case 1, case 2, case 3, it will check all of them. But if you put break in between, then it will work for them. Okay, let's go to next. Lucky sum. Given 3 integers values, A, B, C, return their sum. However, if one of them value is 13, then it does not count toward the sum. Value to the right do not count. For example, B is 13, B and C both won't count. Okay, so we can look at the example. They said 1, 2, 3, so 6. Okay, 1, 2, 13, 3, 1, 13, 3. So B and C did not count. Okay, so if A is 13, then the return will be 0. Okay, elif B is 13, then the return will be A. elif C is 13, return will be A plus B, else return A plus B plus C. I hope this will work. Yeah, this was easy one. So like in here we checked first thing, if that is not 13, if that is 13, then it will give 0. Here we have 3 examples of them. Then if B is 13, then we have the example that won't count only A. If C is 13, then A plus B, else it will be A plus B plus C. Let's go next. Note in sum. Given 3 integers values A, B, C, return their sum. However, if any of the values is a teen in the range 13 to 19, then it counts toward 0. Okay, except 15, 16 do not count as the teen. Write the separate function that takes an int value and returns the fixed value for the teen rule. In this way, you repeat the code for the 3 times. Decomposition. Define the helper below. Okay, we can definitely define this. There is no big deal. Let me copy that. Def bracket n. If n equal 13 or n equal 14 or n equal 15 or n, we are not counting 15, we are definitely going for 17, n equal 18 or n, then it will return 0, else return n. Where is R? Okay, A equal 16 bracket A, so it will check that, or B equal 16 B, C equal 16 C, return A plus B plus C. So this shall give us the right answer. we can do one more thing, that rather than putting a equal b and a equal 16, b equal 16, c equal, we can directly use 16a in the return statement. That will also give the same answer to us. Try that and let me know in comments. Let's go to next question. Round sum. For this problem, we will round an integer value up to the next multiple of 10. If its rightmost number is 5, then round up to 20. Okay, so if 5 or more, it will be 20. And round down previous multiple of 10 if it is less than 5. Okay, 12 will be round to 10. So 3 integers are there, and we have to define the same function again, round 10. Def round 10 n. Okay, so if n star 10 is greater than equal to 5, then return braces n slash 10 plus else return n slash 10 star 10. Okay, so we just need the sum. So here I can show you the example that we can use this term for a plus this term for b plus this term for c. So here we are applying all the functions together. Let's hit go. So here it worked. So that's normal thing. So what did I do? I divided it first. I took the 10th part or 100 parts, whatever it is. Then again multiplied with 10 plus 10 so that we can go on the upper end, and here we can stop it at the lower end. Okay, let's go to next question. Given 3 integers a, b, c, return true if one of b or c is close, differing from a by most while the other is far. If both other values by 2 or more, so we can use the absolute function here because we are finding the difference between two numbers. So if ABS, so it says a minus b should be less than equal to 1, and ABS a minus c should be greater than equal to 2. Then we can return true, or we can go for ABS a minus c less than equal to 1 and ABS a minus b is greater than equal to 2. If it comes out without anything, then we can definitely pass false. So let's hit go. Oh, we got the error. Okay. Oh, second example, 1, 2, 3. So while the other is far, differing from both. Oh, both other. Okay, let's hit and ABS b minus c is also greater than 2. Same thing here. And ABS greater than 2, a minus b minus c. Yeah, so it was referring for both of them, that's why the answer was difference. So here we checked the first part where a and b are close, but a and c is far from both of them. And here we check a and c are close and b is far from both of them. Let's go to next. We want to make chocolate and we want to make a package of goal kilos chocolate. We have a small bars 1 kg each and big bars 5 kg each. Return the number of small bar to use, assuming we always use big bars before the small bars. Return -1 if it can't be done. Also, this is the same kind of example as we did in the first one, that was bricks, and this is make chocolate. So first we will find big required as we did there. That will be goal divisible by 5. If big require is greater than equal to big, then we can do goal minus big star 5. Okay, so else we will do with big, else goal will be minus equal big required star 5. So after that we will use the small bricks. If goal is equal greater than small, then goal will be reduced by small, else goal will be equal to 0 because goal is lesser than small. So in that scenario, okay, so what do we have to return? Okay, so if we come out and nothing worked out, then return -1. Okay, here if we come, then it will be return goal because that will give us the count. Okay, after this situation we will check if goal is, what do you call then, yeah, good question, nice point. So if goal is still greater than 0, then we will return -1 because it can't be done, else we can definitely return small. I think this shall give us answer, because if after reducing all of this, if it is goal is still greater than 0, then it will return 1. But if goal is 0, that means goal and small are same, so it can return small. Else it will go in the situation where goal is less than small, then it can definitely utilize all the requirements and that can be done. I think this shall work, but let's see. Yeah. So this was Logic-2 for Python encoding BAT. I hope it helped you in interview as well, and stay tuned. I will post the next video soon. Thank you.